Powerful, portable, easy to install and smart, the Rinnai 4.1 kilowatt portable air conditioner is built to deliver serious cooling performance whenever you need it. If you're worried about the heat this summer in your house or office room, this unit delivers reliable performance and fast temperature control in a compact frame. It's built around a 4.1 kilowatt cooling system that is ideal for spaces around 20 meters squared, but can comfortably service areas up to 30 square meters. This makes it perfect for larger bedrooms, small offices, or studio apartments. It's the kind of portable unit you can roll into a spare room, meeting area, or on-site setup and expect fast, consistent results. The air conditioner is easy to move between rooms with swivel casters and integrated carry handles. Noise levels sit around 64 decibels, but it is largely white noise that many find fine to sleep to. This unit maintains set temperatures between 16 and 32 degrees Celsius with simple touch control or remote operation. Compared to the old model, the new version adds smart Wi-Fi control, allowing you to set and monitor the unit directly from your phone with the Rinnai app. You also get sleep mode for overnight use, an automatic swing function for better air distribution, and a filter reset indicator to remind you when maintenance is due. Setting it up is quick and straightforward. Just roll the unit to your chosen spot near a window.
Take the window kit, assemble and fit it to your window like so, keeping it as tight as possible.
Then attach the hose by twisting the other end into the back of the unit until it locks into place. Power it on and you're ready to cool the room. For best performance, elevate the unit to roughly window height and keep the exhaust hose as short and straight as possible. If you need a portable AC that's smarter, stronger, and more efficient than the last generation, this model delivers. You'll find Rinnai's new 4.1 kilowatt unit available now at Agile equipment for purchase or hire. Thanks.